everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica, and today I have my BYOP update for you. This is my first update of the year because I did a complete refresh in January, so this is my first real update. It's not going to be the most amazing update because it's only been a month and everything came in January, so I did use it. I'm wearing some of it now, but yeah, it's going to take a little bit. So I'm going to put a screenshot up of where this palette was when I brought it in last month. And this is what it is currently looking like. Not too shabby. I will have to bring it in close in a minute, but I will have on the screen, probably on this side, a picture of where it was last month, and then we can do a comparison of where we are right now. So hopefully I have these in the correct order. The first one is, actually the first three are all from NYX. They're either from Street Style or the Sex Bomb Femme Fatale palette. I depotted it, so I don't remember which one is which. It's okay. I'll just need to use them all. Not a big deal. So this first one is just a satin kind of, I don't know, taupe. And I have slightly increased the dip here. Let me bring it in a little bit closer. So up in here, I did make that dip just a little bit deeper. Next is this shimmer. I only used this one once, but you know what? It did get used once, and that's what's important. So slight bit of disturbance there. This is probably my best progress, is going to be on the third NYX shade, which if you look in the before picture, it had baby pan, but there is definitely a lot more pan there now. I really like this as a nice transition shade, and oddly enough, I don't have it on today, which is kind of weird, but what are you going to do? And it would have gone perfectly with this kind of like warm orangey look, but I used some other stuff, and yeah, I'm very happy about that. I feel like this is one that might not be the first one finished, but it's definitely going to be one of the first ones finished out of all of these shades here. All right, this one I actually do have on my eyes today because my warmth got a little aggressive, so I used the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons Pecan Praline to kind of tame it a little bit. So you can see I have slightly expanded the pan there in the center. I did have baby pan, and now I have a slightly larger baby pan. And I'm okay with that. It's progress over perfection. All right, let's go on to the second row. These two shades here are from the BH Cosmetics Bubs Beauty Bee palette. And you can see this first shade here, that is Happy. I have ever so slightly expanded the pan in there. Hopefully it is picking it up in the camera. I can't really see it, so the viewfinder, it's so tiny and I can't really tell. But I have expanded the pan a bit there, and I use this very frequently on my inner corners. I'm wearing it on my inner corners today. Then this one is the shade Bold right here. I have used it a few times, but you're not going to see a whole lot of difference because I mainly use that one to deepen up the outer V or set my eyeliner, so it's not a ton of product being used at any one time, but it is getting used. All right, let's move on to this Depotted Elf shadow right here. This is from the Everyday Smoky palette. It's like a matte leaning satin. There are some satins that lean a little bit more shimmer and some lean a little bit closer to a matte. This one leans a little bit closer to a matte, though it's not a true matte. And this is actually the shade that I have been using almost exclusively on my eyebrows. So you can see there's a lot of rough disturbance here around the pan, and that is because of the brush that I use. It is from Bare Minerals, so it is a real bristle brush. That is what I use on my brows, and it's very stiff, so yeah, it makes a lot of disturbance in the pan, but it's okay. I've got to get it used up somehow. So that is my progress on that. Next, this is Coastal Scents. Actually, all three of these bottom are from Coastal Scents Hot Pots. This first one is Pink Mauve, and I have ever so slightly expanded that pan there in the center. It's not by much, but you know what? I'll take every little bit. Next we have Fancy Pansy. I have used it a couple of times, but you can't tell a whole lot. There was a tiny little speck of hard pan on there. I didn't even realize that that speck of hard pan was on there when I used it. I just happened to use a natural bristled brush, and that tends to remove hard pan on its own naturally, and I just used it and it worked out just fine. So that hard pan is no longer there. It was like just a speck, and it's going to take me a long time to get through that one, but it goes very well with the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. Both of these pinker shades do, and you know, that's how they're going to get a lot of usage this year. And then the very last one, which is one of my favorite shades, this is Aluminum Taupe. And it's hard to tell because of the way the pan is. Again, because I use a natural bristle brush from Bare Minerals. And I tend to hold my brush at an angle. But the pan is just like the tiniest bit bigger. Don't know if you'll even be able to notice that. But to the naked eye, I can see that it is slightly bigger. But it's probably not going to show up a whole lot through actual still photographs. So I feel like I'm doing decent for this palette. I wasn't expecting to light the world on fire with my update this month. None of my February updates all across the board are going to be spectacular, except for some of my projects where it's usage only and it was very low number of uses. Those you're going to see a lot of movement in, just because, you know, some of them were one and done and then I'm rolling out and rolling back in. But something like this is going to be long term. And it's just going to take a little bit longer. But these I'm intending to finish, where in some of my other projects I'm not intending to finish those products. So, you know, one use versus, you know, hundreds of uses to get something done. I mean, it only makes sense that it's going to go just a little bit slower. This is something that I originally started doing with my friend Dana. So, of course, I'm going to have her linked down below. And there are going to be some other people linked down below that have been doing this project through the years. I think we started this in 2023, so this is our third year doing it. 23, 24, 25, fourth year doing it. Math, Jessica, get it together. So this is the beginning of our fourth year, and I'm enjoying it. So everyone that has joined in at some point since we started it is going to be listed down below. If you're doing it and you're not listed, let me know, because I can't remember if this is a project where I had a sign-up sheet and a link to a spreadsheet, or if I was just putting people in. I don't remember, but it's all going to be down there. If you're doing it and there's a sign-up sheet, just go ahead and, you know, fill it out and get your information onto the spreadsheet. If it's not a spreadsheet and you're not in my description box, then let me know and I will get you put into that description box. All right, I think I've said everything that I need to say. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.